So I added custom functions to the OpenAI API. I asked it to describe the functions it could do, and then here I told it to come up with a use case where it uses all those functions and, like chaining, takes the results from one, sends it to the next, etc. And come up with a use case where a user would actually use that. And then it did. It came up with its own use case. Do a search, take those results, get a location, etc. So I told it to just do that. So now it's going to attempt to do this use case, and there it goes. And let me zoom in here. So I did a Google search for the history of artificial intelligence. I got the result. Then did a function call to summarize that result. Looks like it already summarized it, but I got that back. Then it did a function call for, looks like, weather. Oh, and then got the number of characters in the summary. So it did 4 function calls over on its own. And then explained what it did. It said, here's a use case, blah, blah, blah. So I asked it what functions it could perform. I told it to come up with a use case. It did. And then I told it to do that use case. And then it went through 4 functions and then got the final results for me. Pretty awesome.